Yeah, they're going all in the same area.
Y'all hear it?
Hear what?
Hear what? Flying sounds. The what? Flying sounds.
I don't know if y'all can hear that, but there's sounds.
Do y'all hear flying sounds? It's light in the sky. It's light in
Gonna
the
get
sky.
closer.
What you happy for? Cause they gonna zap the shit out your ass.
You don't even know what it is.
You don't even. You don't even.
That's what. Wait. There was two. Antoine.
Them jets. That was.
I saw two jets earlier that kept flying in this area. And now there's that.
I know. I told your mom. Didn't I just say that?
And it was shaking up the whole house and everything.
It was by school too.
Hey, Sherman. Hey, Sherman, bro. I might have caught a UFO, bro. So, if you want to fly down to San Antonio, Sherman, you could for sure do a video.
What is that?
You can for sure do a video on this, Sherman. Cause I think I caught a UFO, bro. So, cause earlier there was two military jets that literally flew right over our house where I live. Right over the house where I live. But yeah, I think for sure you should for sure fly down to San Antonio and do one of your alien investigation videos. But here's what it looks like. Let me zoom out. I don't know if you can see that, but they're all flying. It's just like a whole. Wait. Hold on. Because wait. It's not flying around. It's turning. What's happening is it's turning. You know how UFOs there's lights, and when it turns, they're right there, and right there.
They're over here.
It's literally right there spinning.
In the fucking clouds.
What is that?
Literally right there spinning. I just zoomed in for y'all. So,
Wow.
let me zoom out for y'all.
It's more over there.
Oh, look in the middle right there. It's getting more defined. The lights are starting in the middle and spreading out forward.
I thought there's more coming.
That's a UFO.
Right there.
I
And that
thought
light's
there's more
going this
coming.
way. Huh?
There's more coming. They're over there. There's more coming.
That's literally it's a UFO.
It's more coming from the back.
It's a flying saucer. It's literally what it is the flying saucer is spinning. It's spinning, and it's making it look like there's light spinning.
You don't see them
Cause there's a light right there, light right there, light right there, light right there, and then light back there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a light right there.
I don't know how I saw this.
That light is getting closer.
I don't know how I saw this.
And it keeps getting closer too.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sherman, bro, you're gonna have to fly down to San Antonio, twin.
No, they're coming right above us.
You're gonna have to fly down to San Antonio, Sherman, the vermin. I got a video for you. That's literally a UFO, bro.
Come here. Come here, orange cat.
Like, that's literally a UFO
Yes,
right
I do.
there.
That's Mallory's cat. orange cat. That's what she named it. Oh, that's a baby cat. That's not the orange cat.
Hi.
Are you
That's
sweet?
weird, bro.
Are you sweet?
That's weird.
What?
Since when the cat's been friendly?
All the cats are friendly down here.
The kittens are friendly.
Are you friendly? No, she's scared.
She's scared.
Are you friendly?
She don't know what you're talking about. She's scared of us.
Are you friendly?
I think that's one of Misty's siblings.
I think that
It
one
looks
came
just
out.
like Misty.
Oh yeah, because it has the same facial structure and stuff as Misty.
Don't scare it, Ismariah.
Oh, look at it now.
There's more. It looks like there's more coming.
It's moving. It's moving
Flattened out to
closer.
a square. It's changed its shape.
Come here.
Yeah.
It's like a whole platform.
Yeah, Sherman the Vermin, bro. Fly down to San Antonio, bro. I got you an alien video. I got you an alien video that you could do, bro. Investigation video, bro.
It's circling around.
That's literally a UFO as we speak. Right now, as we speak, there's a UFO right there.
Look at those clouds right there, bro. There's something in the clouds. Yeah, it is, bro. Holy shit. Those are eyes. Esmariah,
Huh?
come here.
I can see it. There's more lights coming.
Didn't you just take a shower, bro?
Ismail, get off the ground.
Get up. Leave that fucking cat alone.
I'm sitting on the porch.
Go, you finna get sent back in the house.
There's only 3 lights. No, there's
No, Ismail. Wait. What the hell?
What? What?
I don't know. Wait, I don't know. Is it just me? What? What the fuck?
What?
Is it just me? What the hell?
You're itching?
No.
What?
What the? Wait.
What?
Are you cool too?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah, that breeze. That cold breeze.
It's windy.
Yeah, it's not. It's not. It's just a breeze that keeps coming through. It's not windy.
Let me see if it's windy.
But it's coming in a wave, so it's coming off of something.
Wait,
Yeah.
there's more cats coming. It's not cold over here.
What the? No. 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 Just fucking no. No.
It's not cold over here.
Hell no. No. Since when the fuck since when has cats, excuse my language, YouTube, but since when has cats been known to just walk up?
That's what I'm saying. And it won't go away. It keeps running a circle around us.
Probably it's a skinwalker.
Yeah, he on your ass. Look.
It's why you're gay. There's another cat right there.
It's literally just walking.
Doing what?
Look,
It's doing what the
look,
cat
it's
do.
coming right up.
It keeps circling around us.
Yeah, it's doing what the cat's
Hey,
doing.
back up, bitch. Go that way. Bye.
What the?
What the hell? Are they gonna fight?
No, but did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
It's weird as fuck. They that cat understood what the fuck I said.
That cat never came up to me. That cat just ran away.
Go.
Did you see that?
That
I
cat.
stopped that bitch in his tracks, told her to go get the fuck on. Don't circle around me. I'm not playing with you. Look, he finna fight back.
You want to fight? Then come fight.
You
wanna
always see
be a
them two
tiger?
cats? Y'all always see them two cats?
Yeah, but they always run away from us.
That's why I told you when that hoe stopped right there the first time. What the fuck is it, cat? Oh, it's two of them, Daytron. Look, step back where I'm at, and you can see it's two sets of lights. Look, it's over
Yeah.
there. You see it?
Yeah.
There's one right there, and then there's another set right there.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10.
I swear, if one more cat comes over here,
If Mallory cats come over here, that's Mallory cat.
What the fuck is that?
Why did you do that? Did you see her
what?
or him put his head up like this? Trying to hit something?
Bro, what's that? Daytron.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
It's like a cat is watching us.
It's moving that way.
The cat is playing dead.
That right there.
Yeah.
And you can tell the lights are rotating, but then there's one right there too.
Move.
Right there.
It's coming this way.
Is that a bug on my camera screen right there?
Yeah.
Right there?
No.
What the fuck is that?
Where?
Oh no.
Where?
Let me see. Yeah, nothing's on there. Wait. I see it. It's on my camera too. But I can't. It's weird because I can't see it.
What it is.
I can't see it outside. Outside. I can't see it nowhere.
Look, it's up there now. It came back down. It's like over here, over these trees right here.
Mine is going that way.
Yeah, yeah. What the fuck is that?
There's one over here.
That bitch is weird.
Stop fighting. You want to fight?
You see how the hoe keeps stopping? Leave it alone.
It's right. Move.
Man, come back. Or go in the house, bro.
Move before it transforms. And get out the street.
Yeah, street.
Chasing that punk ass cat. That's what it wants you to do.
It's not right there.
That's why I keep stopping to see if you won't keep following it. Stop chasing that cat. Something wrong with that cat.
It ain't right there no more.
The lights?
Yeah. Hold on.
They right there. Yeah.
It keeps coming back.
No, those lights are still there. But I'm talking.
But the little dot?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there now. It's there.
It's back.
Yeah.
The cat is back.
And just so y'all know,
Oh, it's two of them. There's a whole bunch of them bitches.
and just so y'all know, I am not pointing at that window. That window is, look, nothing. It's literally right there right in front of my camera.
Where?
Look.
That's a dot. Let me see. It's not a bug because you don't have a camera right here. Yeah, that's not a bug. And there's nothing in front of your camera.
That's weird.
Boo!
What's the
Cat.
coincidence? What's the coincidence?
Oh, it went back up.
It disappeared. What's the coincidence that two, not one, two military jets flew over here, came from over there, because I saw from where I saw where they came from my window. They came from, you know where those light looking, where those thing, it's gone. No, it's right there.
Oh shit.
You know where those specific things are, where that is? That's where those two military jets came from.
Yeah.
It came from that. They both came from that way.
But these lights is like moving this way, bro.
And it's like they're getting closer.
Yeah.
Mama sharing to me. I don't see them anymore.
It's cause that light.
I had to block the light out.
The,
I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it anymore. It's not there no more.
They're not there.
no, they're right. It's right there. It's right there. They're literally still there. Right there. Right there. Wait, that's weird.
What?
There's something creating a breeze in this area. Cause you look at that tree.
It's not moving.
Look at that tree.
It's moving.
There's something creating a breeze in this area. Y'all look. There's something literally creating a breeze. And it's coming from directly, it's like a wave. It's coming from right there where y'all see those at. It's coming from right, it's like something's like flying over. And it's not even windy. Cause look, that tree over there is not even moving.
Yes, it's moving a little bit.
That tree ain't even moving.
It's moving.
And then look at this tree.
Look at that tree. It's not even
And
moving.
those trees. It's getting stronger. They're still right there.
Oh, I saw one. I saw another. I saw more.
I know, they're still right there.
No,
I know.
I can't see.
They are. They're right. Wait.
What?
Antoine, come stand right here and tell me if I'm tripping or not. You know how it feels when like a helicopter's over you, or when something's like something that flies is over you?
It's right here.
That's literally what I just felt. But there's one still right there.
Where?
Right there, Ismail.
There's only one.
Yeah.
Two. There's two. There's three.
And that cat keeps coming over here.
Peace.
Go. Go.
The fuck?
Go.
So it actually saw a real skinwalker in real life. Period.
Ismail,
What?
chill out.
The lights are gone.
No.
The Then where are they?
They're right there still. They're in the clouds. The clouds just got thicker right here.
Those aren't clouds.
Right.
Cause clouds don't get thick. Do not get thick.
Yes,
No, they don't.
some clouds do.
They do not.
Look,
It's right. Clouds do not get thicker.
look. What the fuck is that?
I can't see no lights.
Look at that shit, bitch.
That's not clouds.
What the fuck is that?
Whatever that is up there, whatever that is that we can't see right now, which is most likely a UFO, spit something out to make that area thicker. But we still got it. Cause it's still
Oh
through the
my
cloud.
God,
I can
bro.
still.
There's another cat. No, is that a fox or a cat? Wait, is that a fox?
There ain't no fox.
Because there was a fox in my
Wait.
school. It looks bigger than a cat. So that's probably a fox.
There ain't no fox. That's a cat.
You see it still? That's probably a fox.
That's a cat.
Well, you gotta watch that bitch.
Because
Them hoes be rabid.
there was a fox in my gate of my school. It was in my gate, so we had to
It-
go inside.
It's right. That's just a distraction from what's right there.
No, not.
Whatever is right there, that's just a distraction.
No, there was a
Because if that is a
Look,
fox,
there's the lights right there. They're right there.
there were
Oh,
actually fox
shit.
in there.
You see them now? Can you see them?
I've been seeing them,
No.
Look.
and there's still something up there.
All I see is the light.
Hey, I've been telling y'all, it's something above us right here. Because there's always like a funnel of clouds. You see how the clouds are spinning?
Yeah.
You can see the wind is pushing the clouds in a certain way. It's like this is the gate to another dimension right here.
And I don't know what it is, but when you were over there, and Ismail was right there messing with the cat, there was something over me that felt like you know how it feels when helicopters are about to like land
Yeah.
and they start like it starts like really ruffling you up.
Yeah, the wind.
That's literally what it felt like.
The sky looking weird as hell through the camera view.
Those military jets. Yeah. Whatever's up there is what they were after. Whatever is up there,
You hear it?
Sherman. Wait.
Let's check.
All right. Yeah, Sherman the Vermin. You gonna have to fly to San Antonio, bro, for a
Where's the lights are
video.
gone, right?
You gonna have to fly to
But
San
if you
Antonio for a
look
video.
around, Dayton, if you look around,
When the cats,
the way that
It's still there.
when the clouds leave, it's probably the disappear.
Oh,
too.
it's still right there.
When the clouds leave, the light is probably the disappear too. Cause it's probably having something under there.
Under the what?
Under the clouds. Oh, there's ants in my shit.
Cause that's not normal. Because if it was a helicopter,
There was an ant pile.
if it was a helicopter would be moving this way with red and green lights. It wouldn't just be moving in a perfect circle. Helicopters aren't gonna do that. And then number two, I looked out my window and there was 2 military jets flying from that way. So whatever's right there is what the military was after. Whatever's right there is what they were after.
But it looks
Has
like
to
it.
be.
Well, she scared the shit out of us. He, whatever it is. Like that shit right there. Ooh. What the fuck is that?
I can't see nothing. Lights. Yeah, there's lights in the sky.
They're right there. They're right there, like circling. And the crazy thing about it is, I was in my room. I looked out my window, and there was 2 military jets flying directly from that way. Where those lights, where it's circling, 2 military jets were flying from
I
right
be
there.
paying attention to the sky all the time. Cause it's real weird in this area, for real.
Well, see, we saw some over here.
That one that was going in the circle.
Going around.
Yeah, see, that's what they doing right here.
You can see the light going around. And there's no lights over here.
Right. And then remember, like a couple of months ago, it was just nothing but lights flashing and stuff over there in the sky.
Yeah.
And it wasn't no rain or thunder or nothing.
It was just cloudy.
Yeah.
You can see the clouds.
Yeah, I've been watching this guy for a minute because there's something going on up there.
Oh, yeah.
The lights are still in the sky.
Here, you gonna look at it?
Yeah.